Welcome back to another video, guys. So today we're going to do try and do a few repairs on my car. I've got a few dents on my car, not major ones, but a few that you can just sort of see, one on the roof, a few on the other side. So got myself a paintless dent repair kit. I was going to go just take my car to a PDR guy, get it done, but it was probably going to cost a few $100, so I thought for $30 off eBay, I'll get myself a kit. So I've got myself a kit. We'll see if it works. Now, it's not bad for $30 delivered. Comes with the puller, comes with like a bridge type puller for the sort of a less aggressive type of pull, I guess. All the glue sticks, glue gun. Look, it's made in China, so we know it's good quality. So yeah, well, see how it goes. So the first one I think I'm gonna try and get is this one here. Where is it there? Just see it. It doesn't show. Oh, it shows up there. So we'll try and get that out. And we've just got to sort of put the little kit together. So I'll do that now. So the glue wasn't sticking very well, so I'm just going to give it a bit of a spray with some isopropyl alcohol just to make sure the panel's clean. And also I don't think I was waiting quite long enough for the glue to set. It says only to wait like 10 seconds to cool, and just to stick in it sort of feels like it's stuck, but then I've read in other places that you're meant to wait like 5 minutes to fully cool. So we'll give that a go. So it took quite a few goes, but I've pretty much got it out. It might be, I can barely see it now, a tiny little bit there I think. But yeah, no, it actually works pretty well, that thing. So it just took a while to get the right glue setting. You got to get the glue hot enough and the right temperature, and then you got to leave it for the right amount of time. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, no, it's good. So I'll get on to the other ones. This one's going to be hard because there's a few, you see there's a chip in there, so I'm a bit worried about pulling the paint off. So that one I might have to take the door card off and just try and push that out from the inside, that one. The next one I'll probably do is the roof. There's one on the roof. Look, it's not too bad. You can't see it because it's so dirty, but there's one just there. Yeah, so I reckon that'll be a pretty good, easy one to get out. But yeah, no, I was pretty happy with that for $30. Get the little dents out. Yeah, it's a bit of fun. For the harder ones, I might go professionally. If I can't, get the door card off, try and get that one out. But if I can't, I might take it professionally to get that one done, because that one annoys me. That's the worst one I've got. But yeah, it takes a bit of time, but if you love your car, it's probably worth doing it. Bit of fun. Go get yourself a set. All right, cheers guys. See you in the next one.